Friends, let's be honest. Launching an online business usually takes months of research, development, and marketing. But what if one AI team could do all of that for you? I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today, we're exploring Atoms, formerly known as MGX. It's not just another AI tool. It's your next-gen vibe business team that can turn an idea into a revenue-ready business. And as you'll see, everything starts with strategy. In this video, we'll use it to launch Alpine Gearhub, a premium gear rental service. Starting with market research, we'll move all the way to a fully functional product with payments and SEO. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see what this tool is all about. Folks, let's begin with the research. We're going to use the agent Iris to run a deep analysis of the local market in Jackson Hole. I enter a prompt like this and launch the research process. At this point, Iris starts gathering and analyzing the data. Here's the thing: success always starts with data. Iris runs a full market analysis and quickly spots something interesting. Premium electric bikes, for example, can reach margins of up to 55% and generate as much as $175 per day in revenue. The report also reveals a critical gap in the market. There are plenty of rental shops in town, but none of them offer a true white-glove concierge service. In other words, nobody is targeting the premium experience. So basically, guys, Atoms suggests a new positioning strategy: adventure curated. This isn't just gear rental, it's a private concierge for your adventure. The idea here is to transform a simple service into a premium experience for travelers. And once we have a clear strategy, everything changes. Now we know that every dollar invested in development has a clear path to profit. So the next step is obvious. It's time to turn this plan into a real product. Now, folks, we move to development. But instead of relying on guesswork, we activate something much more powerful: race mode. And this is where it gets interesting. We switch on turbo mode, which launches top AI development teams simultaneously: Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet, and Gemini with JLM5. They compete to build the best interface and backend for our platform. The cool thing is that Atoms lets us compare the architectural logic behind each model. We're not just looking for a simple booking form. What we actually need is a smart inventory management system that works in real time. Mates, I write a prompt like this and start the competition between the systems. At this point, race mode activates. As you can see, the agents begin working in parallel. Claude, Gemini, and JLM5 are all generating their own solutions at the same time. And now our job is simple: wait for the race to finish and analyze the proposals each system comes up with. Friends, and the race is over. Just take a look at the screen. This is real democracy in action. We launched 4 teams of agents at the same time. And this is exactly where Atoms shows its advantage. As you can see, some outputs are stronger than others. That's exactly why race mode is useful. So you compare and pick the best result instead of gambling on one attempt. In most other tools, that would mean the whole project comes to a halt, followed by hours of manually hunting down bugs or trying to rewrite the code with AI. But here's the thing: race mode was designed so that we never depend on the performance of a single neural network. That's exactly why we can cut development costs by up to 80%. We're not fixing mistakes, we're simply choosing the best outcome. Guys, let's take a look at our result. First up, Gemini 3.1 Pro. It produced an incredibly stylish visual design. The slogan "Adventure Curated" fits perfectly with our target audience in Jackson Hole. The interface looks premium and high-end, exactly the kind of aesthetic you'd expect from a luxury service. For example, there's a dashboard where we can review our reservations. There's also a section with the equipment available for rent. Overall, the design feels polished and very well thought out. Now, mates, let's check out Claude Sonnet 4.6, which the system actually marked as the best. And this is where it gets interesting. The agent didn't just create a landing page, it built a complete business architecture. We can see full navigation, a large catalog of equipment, and even a dedicated admin panel for managing inventory. Folks, everything works like a real product. The logic is fully implemented and connected. In fact, the Atoms Claude intelligence layer is already running inside the system. That means the platform can track the availability of every electric bike in real time and process transactions immediately. So we are choosing the Claude version. This isn't just a beautiful interface, it's a fully deployed business engine ready to scale. One click on "I'm loving this one," and we move on to the final step, configuring our profit ecosystem. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! And here's the result. This isn't just a prototype or a nice image for a portfolio. Atoms Claude has just built a fully functioning business engine for us. Folks, right in front of us is a complete backend. The system has automatically deployed a database for the 5 equipment categories we identified earlier. User authentication is already running, along with user management and an admin panel for orders. We can open the editor, review the overview of the application, and manage the system from one place. But the most important part is the Stripe integration. Instead of spending hours configuring payment APIs, we do it with a single click. All you need to do is sign into your Stripe account, and instantly your business becomes revenue ready. Friends, that's the power of modern technology. It allows you to skip the stage of technical routine and move straight to generating income. What you get isn't just a website. It's a fully operational company, running in the cloud like a Swiss watch. And that's the real magic of a Vibe business. At this point, we already have a product. But here's the thing, without traffic, it's just a collection of files. So next we bring in our final expert, the SEO specialist Sarah. Folks, we ask it to generate a content strategy based on Iris's research to help us capture the market. We launch the generation process. The system starts creating a series of expert articles designed to push Alpine Gearhub to the top of search results for people looking for premium mountain services. As you can see, it's already suggesting topic ideas. We approve them, and the system generates the full content plan, complete articles, images, and properly structured SEO content. Guys, from there we can add more integrations if we want. For example, we can manage versions through GitHub, connect Google Analytics and Search Console, and of course publish the website. So from metadata optimization to a customer acquisition strategy, targeting high-value clients, Atoms can complete the entire marketing cycle in just minutes. Now the business doesn't just exist, it actively searches for customers and prepares to receive its first payments. Alright, my friends, let's wrap things up. Today we used Atoms to go from a simple idea to a fully operational business. With deep research, race mode, and the SEO agent, we researched the market and prepared everything to attract real customers. That's the core idea behind Atoms, turning vibe coding into vibe business. Instead of just playing around with AI tools, you can actually launch something real, a product with structure, logic, and the potential to grow. I just built a full-stack app with Stripe payments in minutes using Atoms. Try it yourself. Link in bio to start your own Vibe business today. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.